Hello hoppers, welcome to MuchoHop. Good morning. I'm in Valencia and I'm on my way to the airport. So I'm going to show you guys the airport and how I board to my flight to Frankfurt. Oh, I have my backpack. I have my carry-on suitcase. By the way, I didn't have to check in to get my boarding pass on the website of Lufthansa. They send it to me automatically. I mean, it's really great. I love that they do that. I don't have to fuss before my flight and I get my boarding pass directly in my email. It's great. So I got on the train at 10:34 and it's now 10:56, so a little bit less than a half an hour, and my flight is at 1 o'clock. So I wanted to be here at about 11. I don't have to check in any bags or anything like that, but I did want to be here early. It's always be here like 2 hours before at least. And if it's a big airport, longer. And if you have bags to check in, even longer, okay? You do not want to rush. Terminal this way. Have your card ready. Okay, so right here you already have the departures and arrivals. My flight is here, but the 1 o'clock flight, but my gate isn't there yet. Where to now? I don't have a gate, but I know normally at airports the top floor is departures, the downstairs floor is arrival. For departures I have to go up one flight. I don't have the gate yet, but I know I have to go through security. At terminals, there's usually a spot where you can go in to security. You'll see the signs. In Frankfurt, you have one terminal, but you have like different sections, and depending on what section you have to go to, there's one security or there's another. Here in Valencia airport, there's only one at this terminal. It's a smaller airport. Once you show your boarding pass and they scan your boarding pass and you go through security, then you enter the secure zone. That area is where everybody has already been checked. Everybody has a boarding pass. It's an area that's only for passengers. In the area where I am now, you could have relatives here. You can come to this area, have a coffee and leave. You don't necessarily have to be a passenger. But once they scan your boarding pass and you go through security, then you enter that zone that only passengers can be in. Never spoke about this, it's a good chance. So look at this sign here, Control de Seguridad, security control, okay? That's where we have to go. Straight ahead. That's the control right there, security control. Get rid of your plastic, your metal, your glass, or your aerosols. Have your boarding pass ready. What I'm going to say is very important. If you happen to be in the wrong area, the wrong security check, when you scan your boarding pass, it will not let you pass. Okay, so that's a dead giveaway that you're in the wrong area. Okay, or you have the wrong boarding pass. Once I used my husband's instead of mine. So that's how you know. Okay, so I just passed security check, no problem. There's duty-free, nice perfumes that I like, but I didn't get any. And now I have to go to my gate. Gates 1 to 4 are this way, and 5 to whatever are that way. Now we got to check the screens to see what the boarding gate is going to be. So boarding is at 12:25 and it's from gate 9. So 5 to 22 that way. They scan my boarding pass.
Meine Damen und Herren, wir zeigen Ihnen nur noch ein paar Hinweise.
Bye, Valencia.